when everything's up and running and getting the way you want, all you need to do is hit the record button down here, and it starts recording your screen. And we'll just say yes, switch the fast capture. When you're all done, you can just simply, you could pause, or you can hit F7 stop on this one. And then I have my recording that I can go and take a look at after. But this is a great one to try. Lots of options on it. I find it works very, very good. Another good simple one to use is Flashback by Blueberry Software. I've already popped it open here again, and you can see right away, you can pick what area you want to record. You pick your record sound with the different mics. I could have my webcam in it again if I want to record with it. I can turn it off. But when everything's all set and you get what you want, all you need to do is hit record on this one, and then it's going to start. Just go ahead and hit record on it, and it will pop open with another one right away that will show you that it is recording right here. And then when you're done, it's showing the time. So you probably want to move this to a different window or put it out of place or minimize it, but you can see you can pause it or stop it. We're going to go ahead and stop it here. I'm going to review it here in the player. If you do have the Pro version, you can do some editing on this one, but so it's going to just going to ask me to save it up here on it. But you can see if we go to the Pro, how we can edit it down below. And here we have a few different options with it. You can see we have our export to AVI, to the MPEG-4 or the Windows Media Video on it. We have our share option also here. But when you're done through here, you can just go ahead and export it and hit OK. And it gives you a few more different options what you want to do on it. And go ahead, hit export, and just hit save. And it's quite a clear picture that you're going to get. You're going to see it run through the export of this one. And then you can bring it in again to your whatever software that you're using. Recording right here. And then there's our screencast using it. And we had the option of with the cursor or with the mouse effect on too. So I'm just going to go ahead and pause this. And we'll move on to our last one that we can even add a few more effects, like using the green screen behind us. So the last one I want to mention today, and what a lot of YouTubers use if they're looking for something free, is OBS Studio. Now this only isn't for screen capture, it's for live streaming also. I'm just kind of focusing on the screen capture aspect of it, but you can see it's cross-platform, very popular, completely free. I'm just going to pop it open here down below, and you can see I already have myself in it right here. But if I want to add an effect to it, I can quickly just pop open I can right click and go to the filters on this one and add the green screen effect. So if I go to my chroma key, you can see how quickly you can add the effect with the floating head, and I can move this around on it. If you're looking for a full video on this, I do have one that I created that kind of goes through the steps of setting this up. I'll put the link down below in the description or in the card above. But all you have to do when you are ready to start recording, just go ahead and hit start recording, and then it will turn to stop recording, and your video is going to be saved to the path that you've chosen. But again, just check out that video and I'll go into more detail how to set everything up. So this is the last one I want to show you. I think with these 5 today, you can kind of find one that suits your needs the best to do some screen capturing. Like I said, are you starting that YouTube channel? Are you doing that online course? Do take a look at the tips that I mentioned in the free download below in the description too. That could help you save some time when you're creating your videos. Thanks for watching this week. Let me know in the comments if you have any other free screen recording options that you really like. But that's it for this week, and I'll see you next time on Teacher's Tech.
Hi everyone, my name is Kevin, and today I want to show you how you can record your computer screen entirely for free and using an app that's already available as part of Windows 10. Not only can you record your screen, but you could also overlay audio from your microphone on top of your video. So how do you do it? Well, let's go check it out. Here I am on my desktop, and I have my YouTube page open. And let's say that I wanted to record a video on this page. How do I do that? Well, I mentioned that Windows 10 comes with an app. The Xbox app comes with a screen recorder. It was originally intended for recording games, but you could also use it for any type of recordings, not just games. Let's say you want to record a browser window. Let's say you want to record your Word app. You could record all of that. Well, how do we do that? The first thing you're going to do is on your Windows keyboard, you're going to click the shortcut key Windows G. So here I clicked on Windows G, and that opened up the Xbox game bar. You'll see a few different options on the game bar. You have a few different ones, like if you want to open the Xbox app, you could take a screenshot. There are a number of different things, but what we care about is this red button because this will kick off your screen recording. But before we do that, I want to jump into the settings to make sure that we can configure things in a way that'll work the best for capturing your screen. What I'm going to do is click on this little gear here, and the one that we care about is the Game DVR tab. So I'll click into that, and you also have the option to edit more preferences in Windows settings. We'll click into that, but before we do that, the one thing I want to make sure we do is set the audio quality to 192 kilobits per second. That's the best audio quality. You might as well set it to the best quality. So now let's jump into the Windows settings. Here within, so this has all the game bar settings. On the bottom of the screen here, you'll notice some shortcut keys. One of the most relevant ones is to open the game bar, you press Windows G. What you can also do on your keyboard to start and